Today we will talk about magnesium. What the magnesium do to our body when we take it in adequate amount. Okay, let's start. Magnesium is an essential mineral that plays an important role in various bodily functions. It is involved in hundreds of biochemical reactions that are occurring in the body and is necessary for overall health and well-being. Okay, now we will discuss how the magnesium is involved in our body functioning. Important functions of magnesium in our body are bone health. Magnesium is essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. It works in conjunction with calcium and vitamin D to support bone mineralization. If we see our bones contain up to 60% of the total magnesium stored in our body. If we don't take in enough magnesium, it inhibits the activity of bone tissue-forming cells called osteoblasts, while increasing the action of osteoclasts, which are cells that break down bone. Magnesium is also necessary for the absorption and metabolism of vitamin D, a nutrient that's critical for skeletal health. People with low blood levels of magnesium are at a high risk for developing bone disorders like osteopenia and osteoporosis. Fortunately, studies show that magnesium supplements are effective for improving bone mineral density and decreasing fracture risk. Cardiovascular health. Magnesium helps regulate heart rhythm and may reduce the risk of arrhythmias and heart disease. It also plays a role in blood pressure regulation. It supports healthy blood pressure levels. Magnesium is involved in several processes necessary for healthy blood pressure regulation. For example, magnesium promotes the release of a signaling molecule called nitric oxide. Nitric oxide helps relax blood vessels, which is important for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Taking in optimal amounts of magnesium through your diet can help reduce your risk of developing high blood pressure. Studies show that taking magnesium supplements may help reduce both systolic and diastolic blood pressure in people with high blood pressure. Magnesium is also involved in nervous system function. It contributes to the proper functioning of the nervous system and can help alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression. It is also helpful in stress reduction. It reduces stress and promotes relaxation by regulating the release of stress hormone like cortisol. Magnesium plays an important role in your body's stress response. If you're not taking in enough magnesium, it can impact your ability to deal with stress. In fact, research shows that people who are frequently stressed have lower blood levels of magnesium compared to people who aren't typically stressed. Magnesium supplements may be helpful for improving symptoms of common mental health conditions like anxiety and depression. It may improve some headaches. Magnesium is necessary for proper nerve function and also helps regulate inflammation and improve blood flow in the brain. People who experience frequent headaches, like migraines, tend to have lower blood levels of magnesium. In fact, magnesium deficiency is considered an independent risk factor for migraine headaches. It may improve sleep. Maintaining healthy magnesium levels can help you get restful sleep. Magnesium binds to certain receptors in the central nervous stems and activates GABA, one of the main neurotransmitters responsible for sleep regulation. Some studies show that magnesium supplements can help people fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer, promotes healthy blood sugar regulation. Magnesium is necessary for carbohydrate metabolism and insulin secretion, which is why maintaining optimal magnesium levels is essential for healthy blood sugar regulation. People with prediabetes and diabetes are more likely to develop low magnesium levels due to increased urinary magnesium excretion caused by elevated blood sugar. In order to maintain optimal magnesium levels, people with diabetes may require magnesium supplements. Magnesium supplements significantly reduced fasting blood sugar levels and improved insulin sensitivity in people with diabetes and in those at high risk for diabetes. What's more, studies show that people with both type 1 and type 2 diabetes who have higher blood levels of magnesium tend to have better blood sugar control than people with lower magnesium levels. Digestive health. It aids in the relaxation of the smooth muscles of the digestive tract, helping to prevent constipation and promote regular bowel movements. Magnesium can improve the frequency of bowel movements in people who have irritable bowel syndrome with constipation. This possible laxative effect of magnesium appears to come through two pathways. They are muscle relaxation and stool softener. Muscle relaxation. Magnesium may relax the muscles in the intestines. This can help to establish a smoother flow as the stool passes through the bowels. Stool softener. Magnesium draws water into the intestines, working as an osmotic laxative. This increase in water stimulates bowel motion, or motility. It also softens and increases the size of the stool, which makes it easier to pass. Magnesium citrate, a magnesium supplement for constipation, is relatively gentle. It shouldn't cause urgency or emergency bathroom trips unless you take too much of it. You can find it at many drug stores, and you don't need a prescription to purchase it. If you're taking magnesium citrate for constipation, it's best to use the oral solution. People tend to use the tablet as a routine mineral supplement to boost magnesium levels. Muscle contraction and relaxation. Magnesium is necessary for proper muscle function, including muscle contractions and relaxation. It can help to alleviate muscle cramps and spasms. Energy production. Magnesium is involved in the body's energy production processes. It helps convert food into energy and supports overall vitality. Anti-inflammatory. Because magnesium has anti-inflammatory properties, so it can help to reduce inflammation in the body, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. It also plays a role in immune system function and can help the body defend against infections and illnesses. Immune system support. It plays a role in immune system function and can help the body defend against infections and illnesses. So it's important to maintain an appropriate level of magnesium in our diet to support these essential functions. Now, if we talk about good dietary sources of magnesium. Here's some of the best dietary sources of magnesium are green leafy vegetables, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and legumes. If we look at daily value of magnesium we obtained from different food sources are spinach, 156 mg per cooked cup, or 37% of the daily value. Pumpkin seeds, 156 mg per ounce, or 37% of the daily value. Dark chocolate, 129 mg per 2-ounce serving, or 31% of the daily value. Chia seeds, 111 mg per ounce, or 29% of the daily value. If you have a magnesium deficiency or a medical condition that affects magnesium absorption, your healthcare provider may recommend magnesium supplements. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplementation. Thanks for watching. If you want to get health, nutrition and medicine related information from an expert, please like and subscribe our channel.